So how to fix Messenger not working in less than 50 seconds. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone right here. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then go to the search here, search for Messenger, click on force stop and then go to notifications management, disable the notifications and enable them back. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and then all what you want to do next is go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. And the last thing is make sure to update your messenger. Don't forget to like and subscribe.